And this is one of the reasons why you continue to improve so quickly. You don't, what I'm thinking about is the simple fact that so many people get stuck in a rut because somebody's singing. They said, "I'm on my way to you, baby." But anyway, so many people get stuck in a rut when they don't have to. And if they would just take a minute, just hold on. Just 1 minute, hold on. If they would just do that and think for a second, they would know which way to go. They would create a way. Even if there's no path there, they would create one. You know, I heard blaze the path. There's power in that, you know. I just heard many people in your life had to be discontinued because they were outdated. They didn't seek the knowledge that they needed in order to move forward in a way that promotes growth. You did, though. And this is why you had to separate and detach from those who chose not to. They chose otherwise. Those that chose otherwise have a tendency to bring your name up in rooms that you haven't been in a while, or maybe that you never were in. The thing is that more people are starting to talk good about you in the new rooms as opposed to the old ones. In those old rooms, those are the ones where your name is tossed to the side, kicked, and salted. But in the new rooms, you are uplifted, you are admired and revered, I heard. So the old rooms are old for a reason. You've grown out of them like old clothes. Now it's time for the new threads, I heard. New threads. It's time for the new threads. You're in a new place, a new stage in your life, so many of those who are discontinued, they have to be because they're no longer relevant. You know, they're not relevant anymore. And many of these individuals are not relevant to you, but also to other people. Why did I just see tacos in my mind? That was so weird. It was like tacos. I love tacos though, but I don't know why I just saw tacos so random. And then it's like once I saw the taco, it zoomed out and it was like two people sitting outside, a man and a woman. You know how there's like the little area where you can sit outside with the umbrella and you eat outside of a restaurant on a nice day. And it was like on a strip, like where it's like shopping, like people shopping and moving. I don't know. That was weird. Sometimes I get visions and I don't know. They be different and it's just so random. That was so random. It was like 2 tacos and these people were going to share them. Like, so what? It was so weird. I was not talking about no food, no tacos. I wasn't thinking about no food. I just saw it in my mind. Well, maybe someone is about to go out for some tacos. Maybe you were making tacos tonight. Or maybe someone's like, I don't know what to eat, but I like tacos, so I'm making. Maybe I helped you know what you want to make. Maybe. I don't know, because that was very different. Especially while I'm recording. Many times it feels like I'm seeing visions of other people's lives. Sometimes, like I know it feels that it's someone else's life that I'm seeing. It goes deeper than that, but I can't even hit it on here. But anyway, let me bring it back to where I was because that really took me. Hold on. Random. Yeah, so it's like it's really about how you take the action in your life to make the change that you want to see. And you consistently do that without getting stuck in that rut. And that's what keeps people stuck for so long. Like if it's not working, let it go. Something new's gonna come. Let it show. That old thing's a no-no. You gleaming now. It's a new show. You out here gleaming, you glowing, you look beautiful or very handsome. very well put together, clean and pristine. Every time I hear clean, I hear pristine. And regardless of what people may say about you from the past or how people look at you and you don't look like you know what you do. Yes, it's confusion. It's confusion. I was trying to say it's confusing, but it's confusion came out. It's confusing, and I feel like it's supposed to be, because God will use those who are unassuming to out those who assume. Because it's someone who is so quick to assume in regards to others, not knowing them or not even wanting to get to know them, it proves how much work one needs to do on themselves. If you're so quick to judge as opposed to be open-minded about a person, because you don't know until you know. And if you don't feel, make sure you're feeling in the right direction. It's like, don't feel to put someone down. How about feel to try to encourage, to lift them up? Why is it always feeling out